Hello and welcome to another unboxing of another unique car model, because I only show unique cars in my channel here. So what do we have here? We have the Lamborghini Gallardo LP560-4, and this is from Motor Max. Let's have a look here at the box first. Okay, I already opened it, so just to make it easier for my review here, so let's go ahead and open it and check it out. Alright, so here's the car out of the box, and it's 1/24 scale, but it's okay, it's alright. What you can notice, like the first thing, is the paint. It's kind of matte, which actually is I love it. It's elegant. Let's check the car around. This is the side here. Lines are very ergonomic because the car is very fast in real, not this model. And that is the front. And this is the other side and the back. Not bad details. And here, as you can see, engine details, because the engine on the back here. So what is moving? What is the articulation? It seems it's only doors, only open doors, and not bad details inside as well, as you can see here. But the steering wheel doesn't work. And this is all the details on the back. Oh, sorry, on the bottom. Alright, it's not a very expensive model, as you may notice, but it's not bad at all. And here it is, the Lamborghini. Alright, so that is the end of this video for this time. I hope you like it, and see you next time.